Let me show you how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you keep getting calls to you, but it's not ringing to your device, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is quit out of the WhatsApp app here, completely quit out of it, and we'll check a couple things. We're going to swipe down from the top right. The first thing I would recommend doing is turning airplane mode on. This will disconnect from your Wi-Fi and mobile network and allow you to just reconnect to it. By doing so, a lot of times this fixes a lot of bugs and glitches with internet connectivity. We're also going to check your do not disturb on here. So if you have do not disturb turned on, I would highly recommend turning that off. That could be the culprit on why it's not ringing to your device. However, if either of these don't work, let's head back into the settings and we'll check a couple of things within your settings. Let's scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics here. And the first thing I would recommend doing is turning this ringtone alert all the way up. You can see it will play that sound and it will be loud enough to hear. And on here, the ringtone, we're going to tap on that and make sure a ringtone is set. You can set whatever ringtone you want, but this will be the same ringtone when your phone gets called in addition to WhatsApp. So I'm just going to choose reflection on here, just the default. After I've done that, I'm going to go back out of here and check WhatsApp again. If it's still not working, from the beginning of your settings, you're going to tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now within iPhone Storage, it'll show you all of the apps on your iPhone. We're going to scroll down and find WhatsApp. We're going to just offload this app and reinstall it. By doing this, essentially what this does is it force updates it to the latest version of WhatsApp. In addition to that, it clears the cache and clears the storage and temporary files within the app, a lot of times fixing bugs and glitches in that app. So go through the process of offloading and reinstalling. Now, after you've checked WhatsApp and it's still not ringing when you get these calls, the next thing I would recommend doing is checking a couple of things on your phone itself. So let's go back to the settings. Let's tap on software update and check to see if there's an update to your iOS operating system. You can see currently it's iOS 26.1. After I've done that, let's just go back out of here and we're going to scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer or reset, and then reset. From here, you're going to choose the second option, reset your network settings. By going through this process, essentially, you can reset all of those network settings that are connecting your phone to your cell data, to your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all of that fixes a lot of connectivity issues. After we've done all that, and if it's still not working, let's open up a web browser on here. And from here, we're just going to type in is WhatsApp down. And then from here, just check down detector. Essentially, this will show you a reported outages. If there's a huge spike in reported outages, this means that WhatsApp itself is down and it's not working because WhatsApp is down. So those calls are coming to you, but maybe they're not ringing because of that. The last thing I would recommend doing if any of these don't work is restarting your phone. So you can either press the volume up and side button and hold those down, or you can swipe down from the top right, tap on that little power button here at the top right, and then just slide to power off your phone. By going through this process, a lot of times it gets fixed. I hope this helps. If it did, again, hit that subscribe button down below. It's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.